Hello, I'm Jamie with the Volusia County Public Library. In this video, you will learn how to use the basic features of the database Auto Repair Source to access the most up-to-date service and repair information for thousands of vehicles. This includes step-by-step repair information, diagrams, maintenance schedules, parts and labor estimates, service bulletins, and recalls. Start by opening up the web browser of your choice. We recommend using Google Chrome. Go to the library homepage, volusialibrary.org. Once there, hover your mouse on the tab called Digital Library, hover on Research Databases, and click on Databases A to Z. Next, use the search box to type in Auto Repair Source, or click on the letter A to find the database. Click on Auto Repair Source. You will be automatically connected. You will see 4 drop-down menu boxes at the top of the screen to select the year, make, model, and type of engine if applicable. The Select New Vehicle button will clear all the boxes so you can choose another vehicle. Let's say we're working on a 2007 Ford Mustang, which only has one type of engine. Along the left side of the screen, we can now select the category for what we are working on in the car. The air conditioning isn't working in the Mustang, so we'll click on Cooling System. The arrow by the radiator and hose replacement procedures means there are additional choices there. We can click on that, and we can now see instructions for replacing the coolant hose, the heater hose, and the radiator. We know we will get instructions because of the typed paper icon next to the words. If those are not the problem, we can also view instructions for cooling system bleed procedures and information on the cooling system capacity. We might also want to look under air conditioning and heater. When we click on that option, we have a number of other options to choose from to narrow it down. Let's choose cooling fan, and then the instructions for replacing the cooling fan. We can see that these instructions also include a figure to assist us in replacing the cooling fan. In the upper right corner, we can also view our options to print. We can print with text only or with text and images. You can also view the manufacturer's suggested maintenance schedule by clicking on Maintenance and then OE Scheduled Maintenance. For those of you that are unfamiliar, OE stands for Original Equipment. This is the recommended schedule of maintenance for the original parts on the car from the manufacturer. Working on multiple vehicles? If you go to the menu in the upper right, you can view your search history and see the vehicles you have recently looked at to easily access the vehicle information. I hope you find Auto Repair Source a useful resource in maintaining and fixing your vehicles.